Do you guys want to see the vineyard?
But then we go to the garden.
So this is our Chancellor grapes. You can see that we have grapes, they're still green and really hard. Welcome to our July Chirps 2.0. This is the first time we've had 2 chirps in 1 month, but hey, we have mail to share and shoutouts, and we'll go ahead and announce the July giveaway winners early too. And stay tuned to the end to see our adorable new baby Muscovy ducklings. It's been a rainy July, and the new section of the vineyard is green. The bug crew is taking a water break over there, and the Dexter cattle has it made in the shade. And it looks like the pigs are ready to call it a day too. Done rototilling for the day. Good work, guys. There's Buckbeak and Griffin, and it looks like the ducks are ready to call it a day too. And there's Bunkie, working on my chicken coop. She can't do that! Hey, and she's got my screw gun! Oh goodness, I better go check on this. And the stain! She's got the lid off. Where's Buckbeak and Griffin? I'd better be careful. He likes pecking at my drone. Hang on, what's that red on Griffin's wing? Uh-oh. Bunkie, you got red stain on Griffin. Was that lipstick? Wait a second, that's not lipstick. Bunkie, you are in so much trouble. Yep, the ducks definitely look like they want to head home for the night. But we'll check out Bunkie's garden first. It's looking great, right? She really can garden. And now for shoutouts for our friends who are working on collaborations with us. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider sharing us on social media with your friends. This is Loose Faucet.
Bye!
Head over to Simply Jan Homestead to figure out which is which and find out who can grow the biggest celery.
We'll find out who the spy is. Sure enough. And then I got to meet this there chick. Vineyard Chicks t-shirt. I don't know how it came on me. It just was bam there, right there. Yeah.
Hey, John.
This is Chicken Johnny.
From Will It Grow?
Bunkie's attorney.
We all watched your shout-out video. The one where you charged Bunkie 50 pounds for using big words like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7.
Bunkie doesn't need an attorney anymore.
Hey, John.
Right?
Don't be ashamed. You're a good gardener, but Bunkie's better.
And this is Marshall John from Will It Grow.
So, the big thing that I am celebrating is that Bunkie finally apologized to the marshal. It's been well overdue, Bunkie, and I appreciate you apologizing whether you liked it or not. I heard you. I counted 3 apologies. No, I didn't count.
It's been great working
I
on
did
this
not count.
ongoing collaboration with him.
Hey, Bunkie, I want to share a secret with you.
And this is Miss
The
Donnie.
reason why the marshal doesn't want you to count.
Bunkie loves Miss
What?
Donnie, and I'm sure you can see why.
Oh, nothing. Ay, caramba, he got me. Nothing. What are you doing?
And now for the mail call.
mail call.
First, we have this envelope from Grow Something with Jeff. think that's it. It says here, hey Vineyard Chicks, hope these seeds grow well. Hope these seeds grow well for you and that you all like them. Keep up the great videos and positivity. You are amazing young ladies, and I hope you inspire others with your work ethic and videos. Jeff. Thank you, Mr. Jeff.
Awesome.
So these are the lipstick pepper, sweet pepper, brandy Fred dwarf brandywine variety, and dwarf lemon ice tomato. Grows 3 to 4 feet tall.
Ooh.
So thank you, Mr. Jeff. And we're going to plant this in our basement next winter.
Thank you.
And then we also have something from suburban homesteader, Wyoming, Arizona, Miss Sandy.
Oh, what are they? They're dogs. They're dogs. Oh, this one's cute. They're little dogs. Oh wow, she's so crafty.
This is the other one.
Oh.
I don't want to break it. Is that scissor still there?
Oh, that one's cute too.
Scissor? No.
Oh, and I think you attach these to backpacks maybe.
Yeah, and keychains and. Oh, they're pretty.
Oh, I have dibs on this one. This one's
Of course you
cute.
do. So thank you for the t-shirt. I wore it in the 4th of July parade I was in. Hi girls, thank you for the gifts for Bubba. I thought these might be more fun than a refrigerator magnet. Love, Sandy. Thank you, Miss Sandy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Sandy.
They're so pretty.
Beautiful. Aww. This one. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. And now for thank yous to the following people for mentioning the Vineyard Chicks or one of our videos in their video. Happy Farms, First Time Farmer, Cosmic Cultivators, and Sue Arney. Thank you, and now it's time to announce the winners of our July giveaway. This is the giveaway for the people who were present in the premiere when we premiered our July Chirps. One of the winners will be getting a Vineyard Chicks hat, and they will have the choice between a tan-colored one or a black-colored one.
And another person will get 2 different kinds of vinegars. One is Italian spice and the other is Filipino.
2 winners, one for the vinegar, one for the hat.
So, good luck, everyone.
Good luck. Just need to record the screen. And the winner of the hat is
My Alabama Farm Life.
Congratulations! And now for the vinegar.
Green Acre Birds.
Congratulations! Okay, so now for the winner for the stickers and the t-shirt.
I'm excited.
There will be 2 winners for this, one for a t-shirt and there will be 3 winners for this, one for a t-shirt and 2 for a sticker. One sticker each. To get in this giveaway, you had to either be in the premiere or comment on the video. So this is for the t-shirt and the stickers.
Oh, can't wait. And the winner is Chris
Chris Clevercraft. Now that was for the t-shirt. Now for the 2 stickers, there's going to be 2 winners.
And the winner is
Mother Goose. And for the last sticker, No. The Jacob's Triangle Homestead. Congratulations. So all of the winners, please email us your address, and to the winner of the hat, also email us what color hat you want. And to the winner of the t-shirt, Chris's Clever Craft, please include the size of the t-shirt you'd like. Thank you. Congratulations!
Congrats!
And be sure to watch out for our August chirps and August giveaways in just a couple of weeks. Well, that's all for today. But stay tuned to find out if it's really the end of Bunkie versus Will It Grow. Dun dun dun!